Are y'all ready for a YouTube premiere or what? What's up, everybody? Hey, what's up, everybody? Ow! What's up, y'all? I am Maculatelife, and welcome to my channel. This is Immaculate Life, and y'all, I'm excited. First of all, y'all, didn't I tell you I was gonna come back with the balloons? I got my balloons back. Hey, I got my balloons back. Ow. Yes, y'all, I got my blonde back. I'm ready. Look, y'all, new things is going down. Yes, sir. So, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who subscribes to my channel. For the new people, look, y'all just go ahead and just, you see that red button right? Just go and tap that red button. It ain't gonna hurt. Just go ahead and subscribe, because I'm telling you, on this channel, we have fun. I like to laugh, and I like to make you all laugh, and I like to have fun, y'all. So it's all about having fun. On this channel, I do beauty, hair, and vlogging. So I hope you all enjoy this channel. For everybody that's been here since day one, what's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? So anyway, y'all, new things are happening, y'all. Let's start with this. So as you all can see, I usually do my videos in either my kitchen or my living room. So this time I decided to do it in a new spot. So this is all about the new, y'all. So new background, y'all. So we got the new background. We got the new hair. We're going to have new hair videos. We're going to have new vlogs. And we're going to have new fashion hauls. So, y'all, it's all about the new, y'all. It's all about the new. So let's get started. And, y'all, what else is this video about? It's about the new intro, y'all. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing a new intro. I'm excited about it. I have to tell you all real quick about why I decided to do a new intro. I know you all noticed that in the last couple of videos, I wasn't posting my previous intro. And the reason why I stopped posting it is because in one of those videos, I got copyrighted. So I decided that, you know what? I'm not going to post the intro anymore on my last few videos of the year. I'm just going to wait until the beginning of the year to do a new intro. So, y'all, I got a new intro. Hey, I got a new intro. Ow. So I got with a couple of people, and they helped me out. I have to give these shout outs to these people. First person I want to give a shout out is my niece, Mira. She is the one that did the actual intro. She did an amazing job. I was so happy with it. She knew exactly what I wanted, and that's because I'm her auntie, and I'm her favorite auntie. Don't tell her other sisters. But anyway, she looked out for me, and she did an amazing job. I really was happy. I appreciate it. She did great. She did everything I asked. And y'all really didn't even have to ask her. She just automatically just knew what I wanted. The other person that I wanted to give a shout out to is Unique. And he's my son-in-law. He did the track for me. He did a great job. I was so happy. He knew exactly what I wanted. I'm old school, and it had to have that old school feel. So I was excited about that. My niece actually put everything together, and I'm not telling y'all, she did an amazing job. I was so happy. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to leave both their information in the bottom of the description box. So I hope that you will look them up, check them out. Y'all, yeah, I know we family, but I had to pay. So we don't mix business and family. You know how that goes. They are both on YouTube. They are both on Instagram, and they did a great job. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. How? Okay, so enough of that. I also wanted to make sure I give you all a thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all don't even understand. I love what I do, and like I said, I do this for y'all. Y'all my peoples. You know, we rock together. You know what I'm saying? You're my people, so I'm going to make sure that y'all happy, I'm happy, so we can just be one big happy YouTube family. You know what I'm saying? Are y'all ready for a YouTube premiere or what? Well, it's a YouTube premiere for me. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video, and come on, y'all. This video need to get at least 50 likes. You know what I'm saying? So give this video some likes. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like I said, I love what I do. And don't forget to comment and share. Let me know your thoughts on this video, the intro. I really want to know. So I thank you all again. Y'all ready, ain't you? Y'all like, what? Hey, come on, let me get the intro. All right, I'm going to give y'all the intro. So y'all, without further ado, here is my new intro right about now.